If you are in the floral business, this flower arrangement cost calculator will help you to be able to price your products, to figure out your cost of your arrangements, and to figure out when you resell it, how much net profit and profit margin are you making. This sheet is available for sale on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I have lots of other floral spreadsheets that can help you, but I'm going to show you how this one works. Okay, here we go. So first on the left, this is for your floral arrangement to put in all of the different items that you need to make the floral arrangement, and we will figure out the cost of that arrangement, including packaging and things like that. So we'll start for an example and put in roses, and we'll say that it costs $1 per stem, and let's say that you need 24 of them. And then we can choose from the drop-down box if it's a stem, piece, bunch, item, that kind of thing. And then it will show you the total cost. And so if we do, for example, if this is $1.25 for 24 stems, it will cost you $30. Once you put in all of the items that you need, it will give you a total cost at the top. Now here in the next section, this is your preparation. So planning, preparation, arrangement, time, packaging, and things like that. We can put in an hourly rate for ourselves or staff. So say we're going to pay our staff $15.50 an hour, and planning is going to take, a quarter of an hour. Prep, another quarter. Arrangement time, let's say an hour. If there's other costs, you could put that here. And then packaging, let's say our packaging is going to be $3.50, and that's additional on top of whatever we put in the arrangement. We can also factor in delivery fees. So say we're going to drive 10 miles and we're going to reimburse at 70 cents a mile. So it's going to cost $7 to deliver. And so total for the cost of everything, we're including ingredients, preparation, and delivery, it's going to be $112.55. So here now at the top, we're going to put in the name of our arrangement. So this is great so that if we go in and we have to price a different arrangement, we know every time, okay, so this is going to be, the blue bouquet. Every time that we make this, we're going to know the cost. And then we can start and we can put the price in. So we're going to compare this to the bottom where the profit margin is. And typically you want to be around 50% profit. So let's start here with $100. It's bringing us almost to break even. Let's bring it up to 200. And now we have a total profit of $87.45 with a profit margin of 43% profit. If you want to bring that up a little bit more, to bring that up around 50%, so now you have a good price for your arrangement. So that's how this works. So you can move this number up or down depending on, what number you're okay with profit margin to be and where you want to be competitive as well with your pricing. So this sheet is part of a larger flower business planner bundle that I have. There's lots of things that could help you to be able to plan, prepare, price, and other things like that. That's also available on my website as well. I have over 400 sheets on my website that can help you to organize your home, your business, family, your budget, things like that. So feel free to take a look around on my website. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.